All right, RIP Dr. Disrespect. I just wanted to say that. All right, so we're back with another unboxing. You can see right there. We got, as the title should say, we have the Yeezy Crocs. We have Yeezy slides, we have Yeezy boots. We have essentially every type of Yeezy at this point. But now we have the Yeezy foam Crocs. And there's, wait, am I, wait, there's no like covering or nothing on this, just straight up. This is massive, holy shit. Look at this thing. It's like a fucking foot long, my dude. I mean, I wear a size 11, so it is a foot long, but like, this is massive. Holy goodness. Okay, hold up. Fuck, my bad. To the left, right? Sorry you get to see my toe there. Look at this. I can't wear because I'm selling them. But look at the. This is like, okay, so this is like heel to heel, right? Bro, what the? I mean, I've never wore Crocs. Well, I've had one pair of Crocs. And like I don't know if they all like fit like that. But foam runner, size 11. If you're a female with this foot size, hit me up. I need an NBA kid. I'm telling you, if you got that foot size right there, hit me up if you're a female. I guess that's 46 female. I've never had female feet, so I don't know. But here's the shoe. And this does not have boost. It does not appear to have ortholite. As I understand, this is all algae. I haven't said that word in like years. Algae. Let's go with algae. This is all algae, recycled algae. Very reminiscent, I guess, the parlay line. Let's just go parlay. The parlay line from Adidas, recyclable materials, but this is all recyclable. It's also very comfortable. As you can see at the bottom, there's certain points that are that have more give, like boom, boom, boom. Some points have more give. But overall, I mean, it's a very comfortable midsole. I would like to wear it. I'll probably cop some, if I can flip these. I'll probably just cop there's a couple more dropping, but it's also like an actual just white one. This is more of like a I guess a beige, kind of cream. It's kind of like a cream. The Ararat, I believe it's called. But there's another one that's like actually just like I think pure white dropping relatively soon. So you get the foam runner 11 US main. That's a very cool aspect they add to that. They indent your size into the shoe itself because as you can tell, there's no place otherwise to do that. Oh shit! I dropped the fucking sticker. Never mind. Fuck. Put that back in. Tampering. Oh no. Hey, like, here's the thing. These are so limited that like I didn't even know they were limited. I just went on the I just happened to be on Twitter when the link went out. I think it was on Kanye's site. It might have been Kanye that used to apply first. And I just hopped in there and I was surprised I hit on them too because I was barely even looking at them. I had homework and shit to do at the same time. And it's a cool design language. I mean, like it's reminiscent of a boat. It's reminiscent of kind of like these futuristic cars that Kanye finds himself linked to, like the Cybertruck. Very unique shoe, in my opinion. So that's that. I guess it's $75. All in all, I think it's about 88. Getting them here, and the box is not as sturdy as most boxes. I feel like most of the other boxes. I would say it's a little bit harder, but like it feels flimsier. Like this, it feels very flimsy. So certain parts aren't as rigid as the original Yeezy box, but they definitely appear and try to cut some costs with the manufacturing and some of the design with these. But I mean, it feels like a Yeezy shoe. It looks like a Yeezy shoe. And you know what they say: if it looks like something, it smells like something. It's probably poop.